Okay, so I've added the paprika, and also, if you can see, I've added the parsley flakes as well. Okay, next I'm going to do just a little lemon pepper seasoning. Next, I'm going to use the soap. I said chicken seasoning because I usually use my chicken seasoning, but today I'm using the soul food seasoning. So I'm going to give that some nice shakes. Let me rinse my hands off real quick. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm just going to take my hand and just mix that up really well. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and dip that